All right, good morning, everyone. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. We welcome to Tuesday,
Wáyé láti
2nd day of
róò
December.
nídìí ẹ̀hẹ́.
So just wait. We'll start in 4 minutes. Thank you. I'll stay behind. All right. Welcome back. Thank you for waiting. Let's begin what the market have for us. So let's look at the economic calendar for today. Is a free day, and that's why the market has been very slow. Wednesday, we're having 2:15 from ADP and 4 p.m. Thursday. So these are the economic calendar for the week. So let's be guided. On AUD side, if you trade AUD, be careful for this 1 a.m. tonight, their GDP. Then tomorrow morning, 8:30, we have CPI on shelf. So so figure all this related to the pair you trade. So we start with DSY. So we're on a daily time frame. Like I've said yesterday, there's nothing much yet. So the DSY is still more. I don't want to say. Sometimes trend line it can be deceived, right? So far well to really see the move, but what we can factor out now is that the the dollar is reacting to this strong resistance zone, and that's what we can see. Any day we see dollar climb this place, oh, that would be very bullish for dollar. We are looking forward to that, where this will happen. But for now, we can see that price is struggling from this strong key zone here. Our price is being rejecting. So before we can see a strong dollar, is when we see price sitting up here. So for now, that is giving us more of a kind of pullback on dollar. So this is daily time frame. Now, if once we have daily close below this low here, then we could see dollar pushing more down, right? So now, and that is, you can see that we have things that not really, the market is not really moving. We have price traded to this low yesterday, but since price refused to break, price can also what? Shoot up back again. So we just need to see a clear direction. For me, this is me medium of folding hands and look out for a clear direction. So let's go to 4 hours. So 4 hours is giving us more bullish reading since, and once we fail to close below this is very a strong demand zone. Since we fail to close, then the next is that price will push up, and that's what's happening now. So on 4 hours, you see now 4 hours that we came close to that low, but we are yet to what? To break it. So 4 hours is pushing now. 4 hours is pushing, but the pushing itself is not significant until maybe we begin to see a momentum coming in. So that will okay. Maybe that will give us a kind of bullish that we are anticipating. So for now, the market is very slow, very slow, very slow. So are we bullish? Are we bearish? We are just in the middle, because here we are coming from resistance, price push down, but price did not break structure that will give us a clear direction that okay, we should be bearish. But all we can create now is that we have created a double top here. So if that be double top, then this will be the neckline based on patterns, chart patterns, right? So, and the rules to engage a double top trade is that price must break the neck. So if the one is the neckline, meaning that price need to break the neck, so that will what we start for as a bearish. So that is the rules for engaging a double top to trade a double top chart pattern. So like what's happening now, we can't really say okay, let's buy here, because price is just between these two range. So we need to see what a very clear direction before we could say, okay, Jack Robinson, that price is bullish or price is bearish. If you buy now, what the price crash down? If you sell now, what the price go up? So that's for dollar. And the same thing is happening on Euro USD. Yesterday we called this Euro USD buy here, right? I call for a buy here. So that buy is still intact. It's still intact, but there's no movement. It's not moving yet. So that buy is still there. And we have our stop loss as 51 pips. So that is good. Just if you are in the trade, if your trade has picked you, if you are tagged you already, just leave your trade. I caught 2 trades yesterday on the live session, Chef, GP Chef, and Euro USD. So, and I sent it on the content page. So we had a pending order and it has activated already. So let's watch and see. But in all obligations, these guys go for a buy. I can tell you. very clean price action. Almost very clean price action for me. We have a break of structure on daily basis. Here we come our low, here we come our high. Now, what do we need? We need price to come to premium, to discount, price tap to discount. Not only discount now, we have price trading above. No matter how you draw this trend line, it's valid. Let's say if you draw it here, okay, if we use that place, I'll use this place. So let's say we use here like this. So irrespective of how you draw the trend line, I can tell you that close your candle close, we close above. You can see this one. Okay, if we draw it like this, we here how we rejected, but yesterday candle closed above it. So irrespective whether we draw it like this, or maybe you are the type that love to draw your own like this. If you draw it from that top and you put it here like this, irrespective the way we draw it, we are what? We have a close above that zone. So this gives us a kind of view that this is a bullish reading. So if we use let's say let's say we put something here for a kind of zone, key zones. We use here. So everything we used, you see how we tapped this low, we bounced, we came back. So we have a valid zone that the buy is very what? Is very valid for us. So we already tagging the trade yesterday. Let's see how the trade we deliver for us. You know, I want is to put in trade and allow the trade to do a thing. And that is why our stop loss is in place. So this is 4 hours. This is 4 hours now. So see how we'll be ranging there. We break now. We've come into this zone. So the only thing that can make this trade not to work out is if you wanna have maybe another a bearish candle, then it means that if dollar is now resume serious bullish. So maybe okay, that will not give a room to like something like this. So if this happen, then we'll take our small loss, then we'll position for the continuation for the sell, meaning that price will come to this place. So our risk is good and everything is in order. So let's see how that trade is going to play out. That's for Euro USD. That is Euro USD for us. Right. So very good setup. Then GU, I'm also looking for a buy opportunity on GU, but the GU now, GU as is still doing its own respecting GU. GU, we have a very sweet shift in market direction from this low. Then we have this our swing high and our swing low. So price is still in the place for a buy opportunity, right? So now also this guy has given us a kind of internal change of character. So let's go to 4 hours now. So daily has given us a profile. Now my problem is with that we don't have a fair value gap, everything here to really say okay, price will come to. Let's check if we can get on 1 hour. All price ranges is well balanced. So there's no imbalance anywhere that we can even refer to. So I think what we'll do is, okay, in this case, that's where maybe our Fibo can come in. So maybe from this low now. So we would like to see price at least coming to the 50% to 61%, then we can look for a buy. So that's where I would love to join the GBP USD buy. So That's what I would love to see. If I want to buy USD, I would love price. Since we don't have any fair value gap to make reference with, so we just use our Fibo level, buy at 50 or 61.8, then on GU. So for me, for now, GU, this is not time for you to be selling GU. Don't let this guy to deceive you. Don't let that guy deceive you. It's better to look for what? Opportunity to buy GU, than what? To sell. Every time frame from weekly, to daily to 4 hours is giving us bullish reading. So these are bullish. You can't have this kind of bullish engulfing candle, weekly engulfing candle, and say you want to be selling. So please be guided, right? So be guided. So I would love if this guy trade to this place. That's where I want to buy from. So weekly we have bullish engulfing candle from weekly, right? That's a very strong signal. On daily, we have a kind of shifting market structure here on daily. So that is another confirmation that we are bullish. On 4 hours, we also have what? The same shifting market structure. So three time frame alignment is pointing out for a bullish continuation. So please, don't look for a sell. Allow the market to come down. Engage in a buy. In fact, if you get a buy around there, we can even leave this thing to run for the rest of the year till December, because when this start buying, it's coming up here. I can tell you, it's coming up here. All this play that I marked already, and that would be a very rewards something. So we can even target up to 200 pips till Christmas. If you use 0.1, that is $200 for you. That one can buy you how many goats? It will buy you at least. It will buy you 4 chicken, right? So that's G. So GU, AU. What are we looking at? We are looking. We are still. We are in a bullish. We are looking for bullish, but we don't. We don't want to. We don't want to rush. We want to see the direction. Now, what's coming on gold? Gold. Now, learn something, guys. Whenever price fail to close above a major zone, a major uh, hold low or hold high, whether on daily or 4 hours, then it's dangerous. Now, for now, I'm I'm still out of gold for now. I'm not selling it. I'm still out of gold for now. Looking at, and the reason is that because since this yesterday candle failed to what? To close above this high. So we are officially we took money, liquidity out of here already here. So our price fail. Now, once price fail to close, then the next is that price will begin to target some of internal liquidity. Or so that is it. So now we may see, and that's where I just put this thing here to look at how far this can come. So if you can come to this low, well, will be a good place maybe to go long again. Like I've said yesterday that the more this thing come down, I have resolved, and this I'm taking to the next year to be a trend trader. Don't worry, on Friday, I still have another, which we do every Friday, another tape to play for us. we understand this thing I want to say properly. To be a trend, how a guy turn from Wall Street, turn a 30K account to over $80 million. People are making money. People have made money, and people are still making money. It's just for us to get a place to trade right. So now this say now, I know people are selling, they are making money. So it's not about making money, it's about doing the right thing in this market. So let's see how far this guy can push down, right? So what we can see now, there's this small demand zone. Let's mark it out. Let's mark this small demand zone out first. So maybe if we get there, then we can. So let's go to 4 hours. So failure to close above this place on daily, and that's why waiting for a daily candle closure is very, very important too. Now, yesterday we think our 4 hour has closed, but before the end of the day, you see that price not close, it closed back bearish, and that's why we are seeing this push down now. Okay, even this zone, I don't want to use this zone because why? I can see a lot of liquidity pending in this zone here. So I love this guy to what? To come down more. So here now is our what? This is our swing low to our swing high. Right. So the more gold come down, the more it good for more money to be made. Ah, yes. The more it come down, the more we're going to make more money when we are start buying. So that is my projection for gold. I am not advising you to sell gold. If you sell, you sell on your own initiative. So we are looking to buy gold and not to sell gold for now till the end of the year until gold prove otherwise. Yesterday, the one like the buyer call, at least even before the reverse, people made money from that trade. So don't give back what you have made to the market. The only way we can have, maybe we can, because okay, change our direction for this buy to sell is when we have this guy violated this low. So once we have goods traded on daily basis here, then serious sell we begin, right? For me, I will actually love gold at least maybe between December and January to trade to come to this place. Guys, once gold come here, let's say between now and the end of January, whenever we see a bullish opportunity on this kind of low again, right? Let's say between December and now, we see a momentum before the end of the year, go traded. No, since it break out from here, it has not come retest, it has not restarted here. So let's say go break out and settle this place. By January, February, you now have another bullish run. That is where the money will be. Because throughout the year, gold bullish. I can tell you, throughout the year. Despite you have some sell, you have some bullish, but overall, it's a bullish market. So if you give us a Wednesday here, let it sell off, position for another bullish at the beginning of the year, even if it's February or March. Once you engage that buy, that account, just you just throw the key, the password to that account. Just delete it from your MT5 because you don't want to access the trade again. Till end of the year, and you will see how much you will make. So that is the joke apart. So let's see how gold will be. So I know I'm not hurried to trade gold, to sell gold. So that is for gold. Then there's some trade that's interesting me. Okay. Now this guy is interesting me for a sell, right? Though yesterday candle, I have allowed that candle to close bearish engulfing, but it closed as a pin bar. But with the pin bar, we like consider this a pin bar that closed within a range. If people will have closed around there, maybe form a pin bar here, but a pin bar that closed within this vicinity, I don't like it. So I prefer to see a bearish engulfing candle around this kind of zone. So, but nevertheless, what we'll do is that price has come to my zone. So this is a very good zone to sell from. So now we can now go to 4 hours now. So all we need 4 hours now is we need to change of character for 4 hours. So this is what we'll do. Go to pen this place. So this is the last demand. This is the last demand that breaks structure up. You can see. So this is the last demand. You can see here, here, here. So demand is still control. Though some people will start selling using this place. I know some people that here they'll call this place. If you use this place is also valid, then here will become like you can see immediately break here, you go and sell. So, but for us to be well clear, we'll use this low as what? Our change of character. So we use that as our change of character. So we have price doing this, doing this. We have this. We have this. So price is still bullish. So you can see we are still bullish. So once we have like this, here will come a supply zone. So we can now sell and this target 1 to 2 or 1 to 3. So that is what we shall be look out for on NZD-USD. If this sell begin, it will be a good sell. If you want to have a change of character here, this place is internal liquidity that will drag price. So that is for that's for this one for NZD-USD. So let's see. It's a very good, it will be a very good sell. We have change of break of structure, price give us inducement, came back, swept inducement, swept all the internal liquidity, price fall into this imbalance here. And now, once it give us a change of character, so we are rolling down. This will be our next target. So it's not ready now. Though if you're ready today, I will alert us. GBP, AUD-USD, same thing is playing out on AUD-USD. AUD-USD. So price is still pushing up, pushing up, pushing up. So we just need to see where a good. So all casino price is rejecting from that that trend line there, right? So now we also need what? A change of character from that. So let's have something of this nature. There we can what? Can continue selling. So we have something of this. So that's what I'm looking out for AUD. Don't forget that there's news in the midnight. So for this one, I just leave this one alone. Maybe when the links come up, this thing will play out. And if you break up, then bye-bye. So that is AUD USD. BTC, where are we on BTC? I'll be announcing that BTC, for me, that BTC is still bearish. So I still hold on that bearish. Weekly is seriously bearish. Daily is already bearish. So, okay, let me on Jiggy. You can see that yearly, you can see the price tap into the yearly open and we have free crash. So BTC is still bearish, sir. So you can see this will be your your selling point. So wait for this low to be violated. Once low is violated, then you wait for, once we have price violated this low, then another pullback, we begin to sell BTC. But for me, I'm looking at BTC coming more down for the rest of the year because we're already trading below yearly open. So, right. So that BTC selling. Euro GPP. Okay, I'll do that. So let's look at our USD card. We're looking at buying USD card. Okay. This may give, we may get a buy here. Yes. I think this guy is good to buy. Maybe we'll get a short here. I don't think these guys will. So if we buy now, I'm coming. Mm. Okay. Huh? Now this guy here will reject price again. So we can't just jump, man. We can't just jump enter now. But this game is good to buy. Maybe if you come back to this low again, let's go to 1 hour. So they're giving us all displacement daily. Mm. Take a risk from here. What would be your stop loss? It's too wide. Stop loss is too wide. It's too wide. 124. It's too wide. So we'll look at USD card. It's good to buy, but it's too go up for us to buy. So let's see. And if we buy now, say we want to put your stop loss, it's not good to put stop loss here. So let's leave this one first. If you can give us coming down maybe to this weekly or monthly again, then we can look for a buy. So, but the bullish is very good. It's good to buy. Chef is, if you are not in the trade, just leave chef alone. Even myself, I exit my trade already. It's not clear. I don't like to trade all these things just ranging. When you go, you can see on higher time frame, this guy is just ranging. So let's put it in that manner. It's just a ranging market. So let's watch the price return back here or come back. So for now, USD chef, we stay clear out of it. It's a ranging market. We need whether breakout or breakdown. So further notice for USD chef. This one is bearish as long as price is still trading below this low. So for now, we can't do anything now. You can't say it's not good for a sell, it's not for a buy. If price come back here, we'll look for opportunity to buy. But the more looking bearish, you can say. Price came to almost 60% of my target before moving. And when I discovered that price gave this bullish engulfing candle here on this bearish on 4 hours, I closed the trade. That's what we know. That's what we call trade management. So for now, I'm off this and let's see how it will play out. Okay, nothing more. So our GPP share, what's going on there? Even ourselves, market's not even moving. Maybe because of the first of the month. So we have this one and our euro. So let's see how those trade will play out. Like everything fall out that this guy is good. It's good to sell, and that's why we are selling it. Right? This guy from daily time frame, we have a very projection bearish, which is good. And 4 hours, 4 hours giving us every projection to sell. So let's see the way it play out before the end of the week. If our prediction is valid or we are wrong. So we're already in that trade. USD card, nothing here. AUD USD, nothing. NZD USD. Okay. Oh, NZD USD. Euro NZD. Guys, something is cooking here. Oh. AJDDD. Ah, we are buying this. We are buying this. We are buying Euro NZD. I'll be looking at price coming to this place. Break of structure, price has come to where? A very good place for us. Good. So now let's look for entry. Let's look for entry. So on your own, just wait by when this candle will close. Once this candle close bullish like this, we don't want to see it close weak, bullish. So once it close bullish, then you can look for a buy. Just put small lots because this will be about 100 pips. Then you can target two or three like this. So this guy is good for a buy. Euro NZD. Euro NZD is good for a buy. So those of us that are interested that trade it, once this candle close by 11, then you can buy it, put your stop loss just below this week, and allow it to play out. Okay? USD is good to buy. Price from, we have a break of structure. Price has come to where? A very discount. And you can see how price rejected from, once you see price reject from this monthly, weekly, 3-month open, that shows a very strong key zone where we can buy from. And now we have all this range. If this guy closed there, so Euro NZD, you can add it to your position for the week and for the month. It's good to buy. AUD chef, I don't like thing. This one has news. This midnight. This one has news tomorrow morning. So let's leave AUD chef. Anything AUD and chef, leave it for now. Lastly, Euro GBP. Okay, Euro is stronger than GBP for now, but where it is now, it's too high for us to buy. Those of you that want to trade it, so it's too high. Maybe if price come down a little bit, you can look for a buy opportunity. All right, thank you. Do you have anyone you want me to check out? Nasdaq service not moving very well for now. S&P 500. So I think that will be all. That will be all. So at least we have one trade called this morning now. I've talked about BTC. I've talked about gold already. So I think we have one trade call. Already we have G-Chef running, right? We have Euro USD. We are already running. And now we have added another one, which is this. But this one I said, wait for this candle to close. We want to see that candle close bullish by 11. So that is where now your initiative to buy or to leave it. All right, guys. Thank you. That will be all for this morning. I think we have some trade. Is Eurusd, but yes, now we already said we already on buying this guy yesterday. So Right. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye for now.